Now let's see how we divide by one digit numbers. This is one digit number and we are going to divide this. Division also always starts with the highest place value digit, fine. So we will start from here. Now this is 5 and we have to find a number in the table of this 5 which is either equal to or less than this. So 5 ones are 5. As you know, it is repeated subtraction. So subtract here, 5 minus 5 is 0. So this 6 will go down. Now again you will have to find a number which is either equal to or less than 6. So it will be 5 ones are 5. Again subtraction. So it will be 1, fine. Now in this 8 will go down. So it will be 8. Now you will have to find any number in the table of 5 which is either equal to or less than 18. So 5 3 ja 15. Again subtraction, fine. So 18 minus 15 is 3. So this 5 will come down now. So you will have to find a number which is either equal to or less than 35. So 5 7 ja 35. This is 0. Again subtraction. So all the numbers has been used, fine. So in this answer, this is the answer. This is called quotient. QUOTIENT. So the answer of the division, which is the answer of the division, is called as quotient. This one, this is called as dividend. What we call it? Dividend. DIVIDEND. This is called divisor. 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 So again the answer is called as quotient. The number which we divide is called as dividend, and the number by which we are dividing is divisor, and in the end what you are getting is remainder. REMAINDER. Fine. So these are the 4 terms that we are going to use in this. Now the another example, 10,020 divided by 3. So here also we will start with the number which is at the highest place value. This is 1, but as you know 1 does not comes in the table of 3. So we will take 10. Now 10 comes, number less than 10 comes in the table of 3. So which is 3 3 ja 9, fine. So then subtract it. 10 minus 9 is 1. This 0 will go down, again 10. So 3 3 ja 9, subtract 1, fine. Now this 2 will go down, it is 12, fine. So 3 4s are 12, subtract, it will be 0 and 0. Now this 0 will go down. So as 0 does not comes in the table of this 3, so we will put a 0 here. So here the dividend is what is the dividend here? It is 10 0 2 0. Divisor, the number with which we are dividing is divisor. Divisor is 3. Quotient, the answer of this quotient is the answer of the sum of division, it is 3340, and remainder, the leftover. Remainder here is 0. Fine. So, this way, this is dividend, this one is divisor, quotient and remainder. These are the 4 things which you should know in the. Now, next is division by 2-digit number. 1 to 12 is 2-digit number. Let us take the example this. Now, as you can say, this 8 is less than 12. So, we cannot take it. So, what we are going to take is 81. So, we will have to find a number which is either equal to or less than 81 in the table of 12. So, let us see, it is 12 6 ja 72. If I take 12 7 ja, it is 84, which is greater than this. So, I cannot take it. Fine. So, subtract it, 11 minus 2 is 9, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, this 9 will go down, it is 99. So, 12 7 ja 84, 12 8 ja 96. Fine. So, subtract it, 9 minus 6 is 3. Fine. This 4 will go down here, 34. Now, 12 2 ja 24. So, it is 10. Fine. So, this is your question using the two-digit number. Now, here there is a relationship between dividend, quotient, remainder, all. So, dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Fine. So, this is a relationship between these all. So, dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So, here what is the dividend? It is 8194. Fine. What is quotient? 682. Divisor is 12 and remainder is 10. Fine. So, dividend, this dividend is equal to multiplication of these two and plus this. Fine. So, let us see whether it is there or not. So, if we multiply this, what we are going to get? It is 8184. After this multiplication, we are going to get this plus 10. So, it will be 8194. Here also it is 8194. In this way, we can check whether our division is correct or wrong. Fine. So, again this is very important formula that you will have to use. Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Remainder is added always